new day, and as you all know, yesterday His Excellency Keir Starmer announced the publication of the white paper, the anticipated white paper. So yesterday it was published, 12th of May 2025. So the contents of the white paper is to regulate immigration and to control. Basically, it's just to put rules to regulate the number of migrants in the UK. In his words, he said that strong rules needs to be implemented, or otherwise we are going to be an island of immigrants, of strangers. So basically, they say it has surpassed over 1 million since the last regime for migrants who came to the UK. So some of the announcement changes of the immigration rule, the white paper, so many, but I'm just going to go through some. I'll be doing a referral as I elaborate more. So the ILR, that's the indefinite leave to remain, will now move from 5 years. Now it has been pushed to 10 years. So you need to be in the UK for 10 years for you to be granted the ILR. However, it's going to be they're going to look into it if you are a professional. That means if you are a doctor, a nurse, an engineer, all those types of careers, they're going to look into it. It's not guaranteed, but they're going to look into it. So kitambo, it was you stay for 5 years and then you're given ILR. So now it has been pushed to 10 years, from 5 years to 10 years. Recruitment of the care workers from abroad has ended. This is because they are trying to absorb the unemployed individuals inside the UK. Recruiters usually look for, let's say, cheap labor elsewhere. So now they need to absorb first all those that they're here in the UK currently, employ them rather than employing people from abroad. It's a good thing for the people of the UK, but it's a bad thing also for the people. So people in the UK, Apple, at least they've been lucky kidogo. Another change, a degree level qualification is required to obtain a work visa. It remains unclear whether the job itself must also require a degree level qualification. So this sana, the people from the nurses, the KMTC, where they're given diplomas, now it's hard because now they need a degree level qualification. Okay, so the other thing is, if you come in as a dependent, you not only come in as a dependent, but also you must have basic English proficiency is a requirement now to get that visa, a dependent visa. So you need to start working on that. The IELTS, the British Council, the TOEFL, you must be able to speak English proficiency. The graduate visa has been moved from 24 months, that's essentially 2 years, to now it has been reduced to 18 months. So you all know that the graduate visa was introduced for international students. It's an unsponsored route for international students to look for employment here in the UK. But now that has been reduced from 24 months to 18 months. Mambo imechemuka. I don't know. Things are getting tough. Things are getting worse and worse every day, every now and then. But the thing is, keep at it. Me don't discourage anyone. Keep at it. I mean, your destiny is your destiny. There's nothing out of regulation. Whatever it's meant to be yours, it will be yours. Keep working at yourself. Keep building yourself. Keep applying. Any opportunity that you get, you keep on pushing. These rules, they're meant to benefit the British. This is a country, definitely. So if you have other ways of succeeding, don't stop looking at those opportunities. Keep at it, and msibabaishe motikago yego, msikufe roho. And while we're here, always be vigilant. Be vigilant in whatever that you do. Keep focusing, goal yourself, and everything will be fine. So those of us who are going to be affected, keep on looking for opportunities all around the globe. Keep on searching. Usilalie tu masikio, but keep on searching. Wish you all the best. See you for the next update.